Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I tell you everything you need to know. I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing this for 50 years. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 40. Yeah, this August I'll be doing this for 50 years. I do these videos for 3 reasons. So you don't get ripped off, so you get IRS information given to you from a former IRS agent, and many times I do this. I do educational videos as long, all of them try to be under 5 minutes. I have a whole team of former IRS agents that work with me, and if you ever want to see, I've been on TV a lot, you can look at my videos at my website at 777irs.com. Anyway, I like to get right to the topic. That what do you do if IRS filed your tax return? So as a former IRS agent, I used to do that, and if you're watching this video, IRS has in fact done that. IRS has in fact done that to you as well, for filed your return. So let me tell you what you have to do. Generally, if IRS prepared your return, that simply means that for whatever reason you didn't file your return. You could have forgot, it wasn't sent in. So IRS has created an assessment under 6020B of the Internal Revenue Code, which in fact means that they prepared your return for you, and with them preparing your return, you have one of two options. Either you can let that return stand that IRS has prepared, knowing that it's right, but it usually isn't. IRS usually gouges you, and they don't take any expenses, no deductions, no nothing. They treat you as you're single with no deductions, and they make sure you pay the most amount of tax allowed by law. Or you can go ahead and file an original tax return. Yes, an original return. Some people come and say, well, I should file an amended return. No, you don't. As a former IRS agent, you file your original tax return over that. So now you have a problem, because now you have an IRS bill sitting there, and now you have to have your new tax returns filed. There may be a difference, there may not be a difference. So your first step is to file that tax return. If you're going to owe, then you have to wait until your tax return post, your original return. Could be 2 months, maybe 6 weeks, maybe 3 months, but after it posts, if you owe money, then you go back in the system as though you still owe money to IRS. And there's 3 options. You are going to have to call IRS, and if you do, you're either going to get into a payment plan. IRS may deem you as uncollectible, or you may be able to do an offer and compromise. The point of this video is simply this: if the IRS prepared your tax return, definitely go ahead and not amend it, file an original tax return. Wait until your original tax return posted. IRS will then go and adjust, the difference between their filing and yours, and then you can deal with the debt. If it's a serious debt, go ahead and give me a call, or whoever you want, and you can go ahead and start working the collection process out. Like I said, IRS will want a financial statement, and at that point you can go into currently not collectible, a payment agreement, or an offer and compromise. If you have any questions, you're welcome to go ahead and leave them there. If you want to call me, you want to use our services, you're welcome to. They're in the description section below. Thank you very much. By the way, if this video was good, if you'd give me a subscription, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.